If you're seeing the Hubspot error email validation failed, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when an email address is not formatted correctly, contains hidden spaces or extra characters, uses an invalid domain, or runs into a duplicate or bad data problem inside Hubspot. The good news is that most of the time, the fix is very quick once you know what to check. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, check the email format carefully. Hubspot expects a proper email address in the standard format, which means it should look like name@domain.com. If the email is missing the @ symbol, has a typo, or includes anything unusual, Hubspot may reject it right away. Open the contact or form submission you're working with and inspect the email field character by character. Even one small mistake can cause the validation to fail. Next, remove any spaces or extra characters. Sometimes an email looks correct at first glance, but there could be a space before the email, after it, or even hidden in the middle if the value was copied and pasted from somewhere else. Those invisible characters can trigger the error. Delete the email completely, retype it manually, and save it again to make sure it's clean. After that, check whether the domain is valid. Hubspot may block or reject emails from fake, broken, or suspicious domains. For example, if the domain does not exist, is misspelled, or is being treated as unsafe, the platform may fail validation. Try using a real, active email address from a trusted domain to see if the problem goes away. Now, check for duplicates and existing invalid contact data. If the contact already exists in Hubspot with a conflicting email record, or if there's old invalid data stored in the CRM, that can also create validation issues. Search for the contact in Hubspot and review the existing record carefully. If needed, clean up the old contact data, merge records, or update the email field with a fresh valid address. If you're working with an API or form submission, validate the request body next. Make sure the JSON structure is correct and that the email field is spelled properly. Sometimes the issue is not the email itself, but the way it is being sent to Hubspot. Confirm that the field name is correct, the value is in quotes, and there are no formatting errors in the payload. A small JSON mistake can cause the entire request to fail. Another great test is to try a different email address. If one email fails but another one works, then you know the issue is specific to that address rather than your setup. This can help you narrow down whether the problem is a formatting issue, a blocked domain, or a bad contact record in Hubspot. If you've checked all of those steps and the error still appears, go back and review the source of the email value. Whether it's coming from a form, automation, import, integration, or API, the problem is often introduced before Hubspot ever receives the data. Tracing the email from the original source can help you find the exact point where the invalid value is being created. So to recap, the fastest way to fix the Hubspot error email validation failed is to verify the email format, remove spaces and extra characters, use a valid domain, check for duplicate or invalid contact data, validate your request body, and test with another email. In most cases, one of those checks will solve the issue immediately. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Hubspot troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.